Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. We are doing a video inspection at 606 West 29th Street in Vancouver, Washington. I've gained access at the back of the building through a 3-inch cast iron cleanout. I'm at the base of the sewer line right now, and I'm going to push out to the sewer main. Transitions from 4-inch cast iron to 4-inch ABS. Transitions from 4-inch ABS to 4-inch concrete. I've already located this. It is underneath a shed at the back of the property. And it transitions here from 4-inch ABS to 4-inch concrete. Excuse me, it goes from 4-inch concrete to 6-inch concrete. There's root penetrations at pretty much every joint that have recently been cleaned out. And here we are at the city main. I've located this already. It's a little over 10 feet deep, and you can see a pretty major root intrusion here at the tie-in for the city main. I would definitely recommend a sewer liner on this project, and this completes our inspection.